Hello everyone. How to solve this nice math Olympiad geometry problem? So here we have, this is a nice right triangle of A, B and C, in which the length of its side AC is 101, and here we need to find the perimeter and area of this right triangle. Okay, so here first we denote the other unknown side's length as, so here you see that the side opposite to capital A vertex is denoted by small a, and the side opposite to capital B vertex is denoted by small b, and the side opposite to the C vertex is denoted by C. Also, you know about in right triangle is that the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. It means that our small c be the hypotenuse, and the side opposite to this angle is called a perpendicular side, and the side which joins these two angles 90 and other angles, so we call this is the base of this triangle. Okay, so here first we solve this problem with the help of Pythagoras theorem, because this is right triangle and Pythagoras theorem is holding it, and you know about that. The Pythagoras theorem is stated as hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square, and we have the value of hypotenuse is c, so it will become the c square. The value of base is 101 square. The value of perpendicular is a square. So further, in the next step, we need to move this a square into the left hand side, and it will be written as c square minus a square is equals to 101 and its whole square. So here in the left hand side, you know about that this is the very famous algebraic formula: a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times a plus b. So this will be written as c minus a times of c plus a is equals to, this is 101 square, and we know about that it is equals to 10,201. Okay, so here you see that in the left hand side we have, these are the two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So we need to find the possibilities in which the product of two positive numbers is 10,201. So these possibilities are, so we have two possibilities in which we have 10,201 is multiplied by 1 is equals to 10,201, and the second possibility is that 101 is multiplied by 101 is also becomes 10,201. So we have these two possibilities, and now we convert our this equation into these two cases. And here we have the first case is we write c minus a. We just compare both of these two factors with first both of these two values, and then we compare these two factors with these two values. So when you compare these two values with here, it will be written as so here we because you know about that c minus a is always less than or equals to c plus a, so that we choose the smaller value equals to smaller and greater value equals to greater value, so that here we can take c minus a is equals to plus 1 and c plus a is equals to 10,201. So this is our first case, and the second case is we can write it here. So in the second case we write c minus a is equals to 101 and c plus a is also equals to 101. So we have, these are the two cases which we need to solve here, and we easily get the values of a, b and c. So here first we find the values of a, b and c, and then we move towards perimeter and area. So here we have, these are the two equations. Now first we need to focus on here, so we call this is equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2, and here when we sum up or when we subtract these two values, then you see here, so we have, this is when we subtract these two values we need to change the signs, and you see that this is the positive and negative c are cancelled out by each other. This is minus a becomes minus 2a, and these are also gone, and we get here 0. So from here we easily get the value of a is equals to 0. So this means that, so this is not possible case, because if a equals to 0, this means that our perpendicular side is 0. But in you know about that the length of all of the sides of a right triangle are non-negative and non-zero. Okay, So this is not possible, and we rejected this case, and we have only one case to proceed. So we can proceed here this case only, and from here we get the values of a and c. Let me call this is equation number 3, and this is our equation number 4. So here we add equation number 3 and equation number 4 to get the values of a and c. When we add these two values, this is negative and positive are gone, and we get here c plus c becomes 2c, and 1 plus 10,201 is equals to 10,202. And now here for the values of c, we need to divide both of the sides by 2. So this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here c is equals to, when we cancel these two terms, we will get here 5,101. So this is the value of c. And now here we need to put this value of c in equation number 3, so that our equation number 3 is implies that so we put this value here. So first we copy down equation number 3. It is c minus a is equals to 1, and the value of c is 5,101 minus a is equals to 1. So here we move a to the right hand side and 1 to the left hand side, and it will be written as in this form. So from here we get 100 is equals to a. So this is the value of a. So here we just obtain there are 3 values of a. Sorry, all the length of the right triangle. Okay, so we have the value of a is 5100, the value of b is, this is the given value 101, the value of c is 5101. So we have, these are the 3 side length of the given triangle. Okay, we will find all these values, and now here we move toward to find the perimeter and area of this right triangle. And here you know about that the formula of perimeter of triangle is so perimeter is equals to sum of the length of all the sides of the triangle. Yeah, so we have the value of a is 5100, the value of b is 101, and the value of c is 5101. So for perimeter we need to sum up all of these values, and it will becomes here 10,302 square units. Okay, on units. So because perimeter is not square, so here we need to find the area of the given triangle. And now here for area, we know about that the area of triangle is 1/2 times of base multiplied by height or perpendicular. So we have the value of our base is 101, and the value of perpendicular or hypotenuse is a. So the value of a is 5100. Okay, so here we need to simplify the terms and when you cancellation of all of these terms, we will easily get the value of area is equals to 25755 and 0 square units. Okay, so this is the area of the given right triangle. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.